Each of these beds feature storage underneath with a drawer, and a partition slides out to provide the base support for that 74 by 87 inch sleeping surface, and a nice step-up area for seamless navigation. This 24V also then features the factory installed upgrade of the luxury twin bed Froley Star Foundation sleep system. They feature multi-density foam and pillow top mattresses. The Froley Star bed foundation here features independently adjustable firmness springs that conform to your body. A ventilated bed platform also allows for airflow between the mattress and the bedboard, which reduces condensation and dampness. It also keeps that mattress nice and cool. Now we also have, as part of that, the adjustable headrest for each of the twin beds for comfortable lounging, TV viewing, or reading at night. And again, these do fold flat into a 74 by 87 inch sleeping surface.